Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Magegee SKY87 mechanical keyboard. Priced at an entry-level point, this keyboard promises a lot for its cost. Let's see if it delivers. The Magegee SKY87 is marketed as a budget-friendly, hot-swappable mechanical keyboard catering to both gamers and typists on a tight budget. It comes with multiple switch options: red, blue, yellow, or brown, allowing users to choose based on their typing preference and tactile feedback needs. One of the standout features of the SKY87 is its typing experience. Despite its low price, the keyboard offers a surprisingly good tactile feedback, especially with the blue switches. The keycaps, made of double-shot ABS, provide decent durability but lack the premium feel of higher-end keyboards with PBT keycaps. Moving on to gaming, the SKY87 holds up reasonably well for its price range. While it doesn't boast the high-end features of more expensive gaming keyboards, the performance is satisfactory. During tests with games like F1 2017 and Counter-Strike Global Offensive, key presses registered effectively, though it may not match the responsiveness of premium gaming keyboards. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the build quality. The SKY87 is predominantly constructed from plastic, which does affect its overall durability. The keyboard feels lightweight and may not withstand heavy, long-term use as well as more robust models. However, its sturdy feet provide good stability and elevation options, which is a plus. In terms of features, the SKY87 offers blue backlighting with multiple lighting modes. While it lacks the customizable RGB options of higher-end keyboards, it's a nice addition considering the price point. The keyboard is plug-and-play, meaning you can start using it right out of the box without needing additional software. To wrap up, the Magegee SKY87 is a commendable entry-level mechanical keyboard for those looking to get into mechanical keyboards without breaking the bank. It offers a decent typing and gaming experience, hot swappable switches for customization, and basic backlighting options. However, its plasticky build and the occasional key inconsistency remind us that it's an affordable option with some compromises. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a mechanical keyboard that gets the job done without the bells and whistles, the Magegee SKY87 could be a solid choice. Just keep in mind its limitations, especially if you're a heavy user or expect premium durability. That wraps up our review of the Magegee SKY87. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique.